Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use iPhone translator offline. So for you to do that, you have to click on your settings icon, then use the search bar and search for translator, translate, and you can see this is it, translate. Once you do it, then once you click on it, then this page is going to pop up. Then you click on downloaded language. You can see right here, none of this language were downloaded, so I have to make sure this language were downloaded on the phone. So once I have this language download for this particular for the translator, whenever I want to use it and translate my words or any form of conversation or anything, I have to translate from one language to another. I can easily use all this offline download language without accessing internet. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.